Hi, welcome to Financial Charge with William, a place to learn how to supercharge your finances. Let's talk about ways to invest your first $100. Are you looking to get started in investing with $100 or more? I put together a list of some of the best ways you can invest your money, like fractional share investing, peer-to-peer lending, investing stock market. Stick around for the bonus. Let's get started. Invest in yourself. The best way to invest in yourself and build a better life. Exercise regularly. I do this a few times a week just to try to stay in shape, and it makes me feel better. Set goals, specific, measurable, obtainable, relevant, and time bound. So when you want to set your goals, you want to make sure that you narrow it down to exactly how much time you want to allot to things. You want to make sure that you don't overextend what you're trying to do in a short amount of time. You want to be relevant. Strengthen your current skills. You also want to learn a new skill, attend seminars and workshops. Keeping a journal helps manage anxiety, reduces stress, copes with depression, prioritizes problems, and copes with fears. Better identify negative thoughts and behaviors. Get organized and declutter your stuff. Break your bad habits. Find a creative outlet. Investing in yourself means making small, continual improvements that enable you to do more, be more, grow more, and love more. Next, fractional share investing. What is fractional share investing? It is called fractional share for a reason. Investors who use this method only own part of a stock, not the whole thing. From Robinhood's website, use this example. If a share in a company is like a gem, a fractional share is like a slice of that jewel. Not everybody wants or can afford the entire gem, but these jewels can be broken down into smaller pieces. Best fractional share investing brokerages from 2021. Best overall, Charles Schwab's. Best for building a portfolio, M1 Finance. Best for automated investing, Betterment. Best for new investors, SoFi. Best for investing goals, Fidelity. Best for social investing, Public. Help the channel out with YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. A typical robot investor collects information from clients about their financial situation and future goals through an online survey, then uses the data to offer advice in automatic investing assets. Some of the best robot advisors: M1 Financing, Betterment, Wealthfront, Vanguard Digital Advisor, Ally Invest, Acorn, Wealth Simple, Personal Capital, Future Advisor, Stash. Next, peer-to-peer lending. What is peer-to-peer lending? Peer-to-peer lending is also known for P2P lending. It is an online system where an individual investor funds loans or portions of a loan to individual borrowers, also called marketplace lending. Peer-to-peer lending is growth alternative to traditional lending. Some of the best website or apps for peer-to-peer lending: Peerform, Upstart, Prosper, Funding Circle, Payoff. Do you use or invest in peer-to-peer lending? Let us know in the comments below. Next we have 401k. What is 401k? 401k is an employer-supported retirement account. It allows an employee to dedicate a percentage of their pre-tax salary to an retirement fund. These funds are invested in a range of vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cash. Thrift savings plans. A thrift savings plan, a TSP, is a federal government-sponsored retirement savings and investment plan. They are similar to 401k plans in that they are pre-tax and may receive matched contributions. The investment choices available within the thrift saving plans are Life cycle funds, which is a planned version of a target date fund. The G fund, which invests in government securities. The F fund, which is a fixed income index fund. The C fund is a common stock index fund. The S fund, which is a small cap stock index fund. And the I fund is an international stock index fund. Next is Roth IRA. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth individual retirement account is a retirement savings account into which eligible individuals can contribute post-tax dollars. Through account holders can't deduct their contributions from their taxable incomes. They generally pay no taxes on their growth or contributions or on earnings before retirement, or on qualified distributions from the IRA after retirement. The best IRA accounts: Fidelity Investments, Charles Schwab, Merrill Edge, E-Trade, Vanguard, Betterment, and Ally Invest. Next, investing in the stock market. Index funds. Index funds track specific indexes and own their underlying security of that index. For example, the S&P 500 index owns shares in all 500 companies in the SP 500. The index funds are similar to mutual funds, except they are much cheaper to own. Index funds provide immediate diversification since they are designed to follow dozens, even hundreds of individual stocks instead of just one. EFT, Exchange Trade Funds. EFTs are like stocks. They can be bought and sold in the marketplace throughout the day. EFTs allow for the instant diversification since they contain dozens and sometimes hundreds of individual securities. Real estate investment trusts are REITs, companies that own income-producing real estate. Most REITs are publicly traded. That means you can buy REITs on the stock market in the same way you can buy stocks. REITs are required by law to pay out 90%, say that again, pay out 90% of their net income to shareholders for the form of a dividend. Next we have books. Money management can feel overwhelming, mainly when you do not know where to start. Even if you need help saving, budgeting, or investing, educating yourself is always a great first step. A couple good books. Why didn't they teach me this in school? 99 Personal Money Management Principles to Live By. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. What the rich teach their kids about money that the poor and the middle class don't. It's a really good book, by the way. The Total Money Makeover. The Automatic Millionaire. In the last book, Your Money or Your Life. 9 steps to transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. What other financial books or wealth books have you read? Leave the comment below. Okay, next we're going to talk about debt. Anytime you owe money to someone else, that's debt. We are talking about credit cards, student loans, mortgages, payday loans, personal loans, and even car loans. Helpful debt strategies that help boost your payoff speed. Debt snowball. You focus on paying off your smallest debt first while paying the minimum on the others, then rolling the amount that you paid on the first into the payments on the next largest. Debt avalanche. The payoff to your debt with the highest interest rate first while paying on the minimum of others, then the next highest rate, and so on. It may save you time and money over the course of the debt you pay off. Debt consolidation. Combine multiple old debts into one single new one, ideally at the lower interest rate, making payments more manageable or the payoff period shorter. There is a few ways to consolidate debt, including bank transfer and personal loans. Another method is debt management plan. If you're facing a mountain of credit card debt and not making much progress, a nonprofit credit counseling can set up a debt management plan to you to cut your interest rates and put you on a repayment plan. Another way is to start a blog. There is not a bad time to become a blogger. Simply, the sooner you start, the larger your blog can grow. Quick tips for blogs. Have a plan is essential for making your blog successful. Your blog is more likely to succeed if it is social, using social media. Content is king. The more quality content, the better. You may have to learn basic search optimization, SEO, help yourself to be discovered. Relationships matter. Build relationships with your readers. Another way is to flip an item for profit. Flipping items is the act of buying something at a discount and then selling it for a profit. Some of the best places to find discount items are clearance racks, thrift stores, and garage sales. It is easy to get started flipping an item with at least $100. Places to flip your items: Facebook Marketplace, Walmart Clearance Rack, Target Clearance Rack, Craigslist, Let's Go, OfferUp, and Carousel. Recently I watched a video where they did a Walmart haul from the clearance section and then turned around and sold it on Amazon. It was very interesting. I'll leave the link below if I can find it. Like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Because of the times we live in, I wanted the bonus to be a bit more uplifting. So the bonus way is charity. What is a charity? Webster states a charity is an act of giving help to those in need of it. It is a humane act. It involves giving money, goods, or time in effort to those who need it. It is done without expecting anything in return. Financial benefits of a charity. You can likely get an overall tax deduction and minimize your capital gains. Reduce your tax exposure from a windfall. Can liquidate complex assets in a tax-efficient manner. Emotional benefits of a charity's stress reduction, greater self-esteem and life satisfaction, better health, better physical health, a reduction in negative emotions, increasing overall happiness. Get started investing now. Remember, the reason you're investing is to grow your money over long term. That means you are leveraging the power of time and compounding interest. Time works on your side. The earlier you start investing, the better. So even if you only have $100 to invest, start now. Feel free to share your favorite ways to invest your first $100 in the comments below. We will see what is about to happen. Thanks. Have a good one.